Yo. What's the kind of sandwich I'll be eating? You know what I mean? Let's compare. Some of the water I drank too. Hey Alexa, jazz it up a little bit.
Here's a station you might like. Ultimate Jazz on Amazon Music.
You got half a chicken on here, Havarti cheese, this is French bread, white and dark meat. Make use of all the meat, if you eat meat. You know, I like vegetables. I eat chicken and fish, whatever someone offers me. I'm not picky, but anyway, I try to avoid pork. Havarti cheese, got fresh lettuce from the garden. Look at this baby. Is this just? Oh, got mayonnaise. I would have used blue plate, but I used Hellmann's. I can't open it up because there's so much chicken. I see that juice dripping. Pour that juice on there, baby. I got that sauce. Thank you for subscribing. I love you. Awesome sandwich. I'll make a video in a minute when it's gone.